How to add Google Drive to Files app on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Files application on your phone. The iPhone Files app allows users to view, organize, and share files from various locations, including local storage, iCloud Drive, and third-party cloud services like Dropbox and Google Drive. Once you're here, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Browse. You can view all your folders over here. On this page, go to the top right corner and tap on the three dots. Then, tap on Edit. As you can see, the Drive app switch is currently turned off in the Location section. Turn on the switch as shown. After that, tap on the tick icon at the top right corner. You have now successfully added Drive to the Files app. Following these steps, you can easily add Google Drive to Files app on iPhone.